Hey, this is FlyLady Premium Mentor Emma here, coming to you from my bathroom. We are on day 24 of our baby steps, and today is exciting because we get to add in the swish and swipe, which is one of my favourite things. You know, when you have people over and they ask if you can use your bathroom, do you get that sinking feeling of, oh my goodness, is the toilet clean? What's the sink like? What's the towel like? Oh my goodness. Well, you don't ever have to have that feeling again, because from today we're going to add into our morning routine the swish and swipe. Now the swish and swipe is really simple. We just, when we're in here, you don't need to make a big deal of it. I do it normally kind of first thing in the morning before I'm dressed. I will swish and swipe my bathroom, but I didn't think that any of you needed to see me in that state this morning because it's very late night finishing the essay, which is finished, hooray. Anyhow, so normally when I come in the morning to kind of wash my face, clean my teeth, do all of that kind of thing, that's when I swish and swipe as part of that kind of getting ready for my day thing. And a swish and swipe basically is you take a cloth. FlyLady recommends that you get like some white washcloths. IKEA sell them in packs of 10. You can get them on Amazon, all over the place, that you can boil. I just purely out of laziness and convenience, I think, is probably, although FlyLady tells us we're not lazy, I think this might be one of those cases where I am being just a little bit. I use baby wipes because I can flush them and they're done, and I know I probably shouldn't flush them and I should buy some white washcloths for this, but somehow I just find this easier. So I wipe around my sink and the counter surfaces, then I wipe down around my toilet, because if you've got boys you really need to wipe that seat every day, and then I use the brush to swish around the toilet. So it really is a swish and swipe. It just takes a few seconds, as you'll see in a minute. Now I've tried to set the camera up so you can see what I'm doing, but actually I could not get an angle that worked well. So I'm really sorry that this is not going to be quite as good as I would have liked it to be, but you'll see kind of, you can time me now. We're 2:18 into the video, so by the time I start it'll probably be 2:30, and I'll tell you what time it is when I'm finished. Okay, so there's some baby wipes, and I just literally, I wipe around, and I'm just wipe around the sink. And when we're in the bathroom zone, and when we're done with these videos, I'll do some videos about the zones so that you can start to really pull it all together. When we're in the bathroom zone, that's the time when I will shine my sink, and I shine my sink just like I do my downstairs sink. Obviously sinks in bathrooms are different to sinks in kitchens, so you always want to check that the products that you're using to do that work. And I just wipe around the seat of my toilet and kind of like that. Then I drop those down there and flush. Sorry, this is going to be noisy. And then I've got my brush, and I just give it a brush around there, and that's it. I am done and ready to leave my bathroom, and that took exactly 1 minute. I deal with my bath and my shower when I'm in it, so I will just take a few minutes to just clean that down while I'm in it. And again, it probably takes me about a minute a day, and that keeps that really presentable as well. And that's it. That's our swish and swipe. So if you grab your control journal, write that in for today, and start doing that. I'll be interested to know how you get on. I'm going to go now because I'm kind of bent in a really weird position and it's not very comfortable. So I'll be back tomorrow with day 25. You have a great day.